All right, this is a typing test for this lovely 1970 Smith Corona Super Sterling. We've wound a red and black ribbon onto original Smith Corona custom ribbon control spools. In general, just like them better than the plastic ones. The plastic ones work, but I don't know. A little more stability with these. Anyways, before I put the paper in, let me demonstrate the tabs. They work just fine. So, got a few set. One there, one there. I'm going to get rid of this one. Let's clear that. And then let's set one here. Works great, super easy. Love it. So let's do this typing test. This machine is pica. You can see here the 80. It's a 10-inch platen. So with margin set here, I'm getting about 64 characters across the page. Very nice, large, legible typing font. So I'm going to open in red, caps lock, doing a poem by Franz Wright called Unwriting. As you can see, it's got a great flow. It's a very fast typewriter. It's very forgiving. I don't have to pay too close of attention. As long as I've got the touch typing basically down, it's not going to mess up the keys around me too much. So that allows me to pick up some speed. All right, and let's see, where are we? I'm going to do the typing test. You can see the vertical alignment. Forgetting my alphabet. Nice. Very, very legible type here. That would be the characters. Very clear, very crisp. Just in general, because of the mechanisms that they used, Smith Coronas, to my mind, are probably going to be the easiest machines for someone who's used to typing on a computer to use. So here's the finished product. Lovely typewriter. Thanks for watching.